Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I think it's so important to stay active. And these NELEUS women's active shirts have made that to be so comfortable. Now, what I really love about these shirts is that the material is so nice and cool. It dries quickly, and it stretches enough that allows you to move as freely as you need to when you are running, hiking, doing any activity. You're not going to have to worry about that. Now, my favorite activity that I do is hiking. Sometimes you can't always predict where the sun is going to hit you. So that's why I really appreciated that these shirts had hood. Because again, the material is so light, it doesn't make me feel overheated and gives me added protection. I also appreciate that the bottom goes down quite a bit in the back and covers your backside. I personally just feel a lot more comfortable with that, and I just appreciated that design. So I definitely would recommend these shirts. They are pretty, they're useful, they're gonna help you with a lot of different workouts and deal with the terrain changing and the sun changing. If you're out all day, it really is gonna put your mind at ease. So these shirts made a big difference. I really appreciated them. I think you're going to enjoy them too. And that's my point of view.